Practice regularly, set aside dedicated time each day to practice coding. Consistency is key to improving your programming skills. Break down complex problems. When faced with a complex problem, break it down into smaller, manageable parts. This will make it easier to solve and understand. Learn from mistakes. Consider mistakes as opportunities to learn. Debugging and troubleshooting are integral parts of programming, so don't get discouraged when things don't work as expected. Utilize online resources. Take advantage of online tutorials, forums, and communities to expand your knowledge. There are numerous free resources available that can enhance your learning journey. Build projects. Apply what you learn by working on projects. Building real-world applications helps solidify concepts and gives you hands-on experience.